Langley Federal Credit Union Credit Cards Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're considering a credit card from Langley Federal Credit Union in 2025, you're probably wondering if it's worth the effort to apply or if you should pass. Credit cards can offer great rewards, convenience, and financial flexibility, but they can also carry hidden fees, interest, and limitations that many people overlook. In this comprehensive review, we'll break down everything you need to know about Langley Federal Credit Union's credit cards, from their features and fees to rewards, benefits, and potential drawbacks, so you can decide if it's truly worth it or leave it. Langley Federal Credit Union, headquartered in Virginia, has been providing financial services for decades. They offer a variety of personal and business banking products, including savings, checking, loans, and, importantly, credit cards. As a credit union, Langley Federal is member-owned, which often translates to lower fees and better interest rates compared to big national banks. However, these advantages may come with certain limitations, such as fewer card options or less nationwide acceptance. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial before applying. Langley Federal Credit Union offers several credit cards designed to meet different needs. Their lineup typically includes low-rate cards, cashback rewards cards, and secured credit cards for those looking to build or rebuild credit. In 2025, they continue to update these offerings, adding competitive features to stay relevant in a crowded financial landscape. Let's start with the low-rate card option. The low-rate credit card is ideal for someone who carries a balance month to month. With an APR that's usually lower than national averages, sometimes around 11% to 13% for qualified applicants, this card can save you hundreds or even thousands in interest if you occasionally carry a balance. For example, if you have a $5,000 balance and carry it for 12 months at a typical 18% APR, you might pay $900 in interest. With Langley Federal's low-rate card at 12% APR, you'd pay only $600, a significant saving. Keep in mind, however, that APR are subject to credit approval, and rates can fluctuate based on prime benchmarks and other factors. Next, we have the cashback credit cards. Langley Federal offers straightforward cashback options, usually giving 1% to 2% back on purchases. In some cases, they offer higher rewards in specific categories like gas, groceries, or dining. For example, if you spend $2,500 a month on a card with 1.5% cashback, you'd earn $450 annually. While this may seem modest compared to some premium cards, the simplicity of no rotating categories or complicated redemption rules is a major advantage for everyday users. The cashback is typically applied as a statement credit or deposited directly into your Langley Federal account, making it easy to access and use. For those who need to establish or rebuild credit, Langley Federal offers a secured credit card. With this card, your credit limit is backed by a deposit you provide, usually equal to the credit line. This means if you deposit $500, your credit limit is $500. While this may feel restrictive initially, it's a safe way to build credit without risking debt. Over time, responsible use of a secured card, paying on time, keeping utilization low, can help you qualify for unsecured cards with better rewards and higher limits. Another key factor to consider is fees. Langley Federal's credit cards generally have lower fees than traditional bank cards. Many cards have no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and competitive late payment penalties. For example, their cashback card typically has no annual fee, allowing users to earn rewards without a recurring cost eating into their benefits. However, it's essential to read the fine print. Some optional features, like identity protection or card replacement services, may come with additional fees. Understanding exactly what you're paying for ensures you're not surprised later. Benefits and perks are also important when evaluating a credit card. Langley Federal Credit Union cards may include travel and purchase protections, such as extended warranties, travel accident insurance, and purchase security. These benefits can save you money if your laptop breaks shortly after purchase, or if your flight is unexpectedly canceled. Additionally, some cards offer special financing options for large purchases, which can be useful if you need flexibility without incurring high interest rates. One area where Langley Federal stands out is customer service. As a credit union, they tend to offer personalized support. Members often report that representatives are knowledgeable and responsive, whether you call, email, or use online chat. In contrast, larger banks can feel impersonal, with long hold times and limited problem resolution. Good customer service can make a huge difference if you ever encounter billing errors, fraud alerts, or disputes with merchants. Security and fraud protection are robust as well. Langley Federal uses advanced encryption, real-time alerts, and fraud monitoring to protect your account. If suspicious activity is detected, they may freeze the card and contact you immediately. Additionally, their online and mobile banking platforms provide instant access to balances, transaction histories, and payment options, which enhances both convenience and security. However, there are potential drawbacks. Credit unions, including Langley Federal, sometimes have limited acceptance in certain regions or online merchants, although this has improved over the years. Their rewards programs, while simple, may not be as generous or flexible as those offered by large national banks or premium credit cards. For users who value high travel rewards, luxury perks, or extensive credit card partnerships, a Langley Federal card might feel basic in comparison. Additionally, since membership is required to access their products, you'll need to meet eligibility criteria, usually residing in certain counties or working for partner organizations. Let's consider some examples. Sarah is a young professional looking to build credit while earning modest rewards. She chooses a Langley Federal secured card, deposits $500, and uses it for groceries and utilities. Over 12 months, she pays on time and keeps her utilization below 30%. By the end of the year, her credit score has improved, and she qualifies for the cashback card, all without paying annual fees or high interest. For Sarah, Langley Federal is clearly worth it because it provides a low-risk way to build credit while earning rewards. On the other hand, John is an experienced credit card user who frequently travels internationally. He seeks high-value travel rewards, airline miles, and luxury perks like lounge access. While Langley Federal's cards are reliable, they do not offer extensive travel rewards or premium travel benefits. For John, other options such as Chase Sapphire Preferred, American Express Gold, or Capital One Venture might provide more value, even if they come with annual fees. In this case, Langley Federal may be better left aside for more specialized credit cards. Another important consideration is the digital experience. Langley Federal offers a mobile app and online banking platform with features like balance tracking, payments, and transaction alerts. While functional and secure, the app may not have the same advanced integrations, budgeting tools, or AI-driven insights that some fintech competitors provide. Users who prefer an ultra-modern, high-tech interface may find this slightly less compelling. In terms of credit limits, Langley Federal typically offers moderate limits, suitable for everyday spending but not necessarily for high-ticket purchases. This conservative approach aligns with their focus on responsible lending and member protection. For many users, this is a positive, as it prevents overextension and encourages smart credit management. However, if you need very high limits for large transactions, you might find this restrictive. So, what's the bottom line? Is a Langley Federal Credit Union credit card worth it in 2025? The answer depends largely on your needs and financial habits. If you value low fees, solid customer service, simple rewards, and responsible credit management, Langley Federal is an excellent choice. Their cashback, low rate, and secured cards cover a wide range of needs without the complexity or high costs associated with some national bank offerings. On the other hand, if you're chasing premium rewards, extensive travel benefits, or high-tech app experiences, you may want to consider other options. In conclusion, Langley Federal Credit Union offers credit cards that are reliable, straightforward, and member-focused. With competitive interest rates, no or low fees, cashback rewards, and strong security, these cards are ideal for everyday users, credit builders, and those who appreciate personalized service. While they may lack some of the flashy perks of premium credit cards, their simplicity, transparency, and member orientation make them a solid option in 2025. For individuals looking for a trustworthy, cost-effective credit card with practical benefits, Langley Federal is absolutely worth considering. For those seeking high-end travel perks or sophisticated rewards systems, it may be better to explore other cards. Ultimately, understanding your spending habits, travel patterns, and financial goals will help you decide if a Langley Federal credit card is the right choice for you or if you should leave it.